Hello all, welcome to this lecture where we will look at the timeline of generative AI. If you look at the diagram, the most important thing that started generative AI was in 2017 when Google came up with its research paper called Attention is All You Need. This research paper talked in detail about what is transformer, how the span of attention differs in a transformer as compared to other architectures. The special thing was Transformer was made open source. This was a path-breaking move in the world of generative AI, and Transformer formed the heart of generative AI. Then in 2018, Google came up with Google BERT. And as you can see here, few things happened in OpenAI. OpenAI came up with GPT-3 in June 2020, and then in November 2022, it opened ChatGPT to the entire world, and the world got taste of generative AI for the first time. Also, if you see here, a lot of things happened in the background. There were a lot of organizations who were working on various generative AI models. And if you see a lot of generative AI models in 2023 and later, it is not because organizations have suddenly started doing research on it and so many options are available. It is because there was a lot of research going in the background. And once ChatGPT was made publicly available, everybody started pushing their models in front of the world. Other significant thing in this timeline is AWS came up with Bedrock and its general availability was October 2023. AWS Bedrock is fully managed service that offers a choice of foundation models like Cloud A from Anthropic. Bedrock also gives you options like Amazon Titan, Stable Diffusion, and Llama models from Meta. This list will keep on increasing over a period of time, and since Amazon Bedrock gives serverless experience, you don't have to manage any infrastructure and you can easily integrate and deploy Gen AI capabilities into your applications. Also, a lot of organizations already have their data in AWS, so AWS Bedrock could be their default choice. So that's it in this lecture. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.